to make money on Upwork as a presentation designer. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make money from this platform. So to get started, we will need to create our account. So here, join as a freelancer, not as a client, and then click on apply as a freelancer. And here you fill the information, the usual information, first name, last name, and so on. And then you click on create my account. And for me, I'm just going to log in with my email because I've already created my account. So here, continue with email and put the password, click on login. Then we will proceed to creating our account, our profile. To create our profile, so here as you can see, create your profile, and this is the last step of creating the profile. So let's go back and let's start from the first step or from the beginning. So here just make sure to go back all the way. So this is the first step. So here we click on get started. And here we will have a few questions to go through, and I'm going to skip them all. Skip for now. Same thing with these other questions. Skip for now. And for these options, make sure to choose them all, even the third one, which is this one. Pay attention to it. Then click on next, create a profile. And here you can choose from those three options if you want to import from LinkedIn, or you want to upload your resume, or you want to fill it out manually. It will take just 15 minutes of your time, less than 15 minutes, honestly. So let's go with the third one, start a new profile. And here, let's type our skill, presentation designer. Click on next to add your experience, and here you can add your experience in here. Press on the plus button, and here you can add the experience. For example, software engineer in Microsoft or in London, and the description in here. Same thing with the education as well. You can just click on the plus button. And here you can add your education, school, degree, field or study, dates attended, description. Then we will proceed to add in the languages. So here you can add the English is a must in this platform. So you can just put your level of the language in here. For me, it's conversational. You can add as many languages as you can speak. For me, I can speak Arabic as well. I'm a native in Arabic, and I can also speak a little bit of French. I learned it at school, and basic in it. And that's it for the languages. Then you click on next to add your skills. So here you enter a skill in here. The maximum is 15 skills. So let's go with presentation design, business presentation, presentations, and pitch book. Then click on next to write an overview. So here you write a bio to tell the world all about yourself. Help people to get to know you at a glance. What work do you do best? Tell them clearly using paragraphs or bullet points. You can always edit later. Just make sure you proofread now. So this is an example of the bio. As you can see, I'm a developer experienced in building and etc. So guys, in order to enter a good description for your profile, or a good bio for your profile, make sure to go to ChatGPT and just tell them, hi, I'm a presentation designer. Give me a bio for my Upwork profile, and it will give you a very good bio. Just make sure to read it and to verify it and to adjust it. If there is something to adjust, then paste it in here, and that will be enough. Then click on next to choose your category. So for me, I'm just going to steal my friend's bio, my friend Martin here. Sorry for that, Marty, because I don't want to make the video long. If I went to ChatGPT, it will make the video very long. After that, you choose the service, then you set your rate or your price. Let's go with $20 per hour, and then click on next to add your photo and location. So here you have the date of birth, country, and all of these information, and here you upload your photo. So guys, make sure to show clients the best version of yourself. It must be an actual photo of you. Logos, clip art, group photos, and digitally altered images are not allowed, so just keep that in mind, guys. And after you review your profile, verify if the information is all set up, then you end with the profile, with creating the profile. I will show you how you can improve that profile to get as many clients as you can. So I'm just logging out to show you how you can improve the account, so you don't need to log out yourselves. I just want to go to the main page, which is upwork.com. Go to the search in here and type your skill to see all of the competitors and all of the people that work in the same skill like you do. We want to see all the presentation designers that we have in Upwork. And here, in order to improve your profile, just spy on these people, see how they improve their profile, their bio, the skills that they offer, the pricing of their skills. As you can see here, this one is offering $10 per hour, and this one is $45 per hour, another one for $20 per hour, another one $75. So just make sure to check all of these profiles and see what you can improve in your profile as well. And if you want to look for jobs, you can just go to find work, click on find work for your skills, and type your skill in here, click on search, and you will see all of the listed jobs that need someone with your skills to work with them. So that's it, guys, for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.